Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint. Clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday afternoon about 3:30. Another hot, humid day. Temperatures upper 80s to around 90. First, want to show you Doppler radar, and we've had some shower and thunderstorm activity, but it's been well to the north and west of Providence. Let me widen the view out a little bit here. In fact, some pretty hefty, strong storms lined up from Hartford and towards Springfield, Mass, northeastern Connecticut. And you can see so far it's been staying out of the area, though we've had a couple of cells in southern Worcester County. So out towards like Uxbridge, Blackstone, right up in here north of Woonsocket, you get a heavy downpour and a strong thunderstorm. You see more activity northeast Connecticut, Hartford, and out towards western Connecticut as well. So a lot of this has been kind of training, in other words, moving over the same area, kind of like this. So far it's been staying out of our area, but we'll certainly watch areas north and west of Providence next couple of hours. In the meantime, now we're taping this as of 3:30. It's this area hatched in yellow next couple of hours we'll keep an eye on as far as any slow-moving heavy downpours and some thunder. Otherwise, it's just very warm and humid. The heat advisory continues through 8 o'clock this evening for areas in orange, inland areas. These feel like temperatures running between 94 and 98, though the actual air temperature is in the upper 80s to low 90s. Looking at, actually I didn't even realize I had this picture in here, but why not? We'll look at it. It's been loaded. This is Narragansett Town Beach, and we'll clearly cooler down here with the breeze off the water. Get a little bit of light fog off in the distance, but it's warm and muggy at the beaches as well. So here's what's interesting. These are the high temperatures so far today. This is not official yet. In other words, we may go a little higher, but you notice Smithfield made it to 90 so far, 92 Taunton. You know, the official record in Providence now stands at 88, 89 degrees, but just waiting a final word from the National Weather Service to see whether or not we actually made it to 90. So we're going to wait another hour or two, but if in fact we did make it to 90, then at least that for Providence, that would make it an official heat wave. You know, bottom line is, you know, some areas are already in the 90s and others are in the upper 70s to low 80s, but where the official records are kept, we're currently at 88 degrees. So we'll know shortly. No matter how you slice it, it's high. So it's all just semantics at this point. The muggy meter, the humidity, kind of the comfort factor here. The dew points remain high now through Wednesday. And then look at that huge drop in the dew point, indicating dry, refreshing air Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. In fact, we're cooler on Thursday with temperatures getting back to more seasonable levels in the mid to upper 70s. All right, so here's how it breaks down for tonight. Warm and muggy under mainly cloudy skies. I wouldn't rule out an isolated shower in the early evening, especially north and west of Providence. Otherwise, warm and humid. And then during the overnight hours, a scattered shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out. I just feel as though it's going to be widely scattered overnight. Now, here we are Wednesday morning. We'll wake up to mostly cloudy skies, warm, humid conditions, some fog along the coastline, a stray shower. But we think enough hazy sun through the cloud cover to get us up into at least the mid and upper 80s. And with humidity remaining very high, these temperatures will feel hotter. So it's kind of a partly sunny, we'll call it hot, humid Wednesday afternoon with a passing shower or thunderstorm. And while we may not officially hit 90, by no means is it a cool, dry, comfortable day. It's in the upper 80s to near 90 and very humid. And I would, keep the umbrella on standby. I think with the approach of what we call a backdoor cold front later in the afternoon towards evening, can't rule out a scattered shower or thunderstorm. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.